So if you got a pellet grill that's got a hole in it, can you fix that, or is it just junk? Well, we got an idea for you. Take a watch. Hey, it's Jeff with BBQ Plus, and today we are in the shop working on a Traeger. So this had a couple of spots on the barrel of the grill that were completely rusted through. So what I did is I cleaned those up with a wire brush to make sure that we got anything out of there, used a file on there on both sides, and I put some blue tape on the bottom side. So that'll act as a barrier on the back side when we put this little secret magic sauce. So I also used some of this rust reformer that just turns that rust into metal so that we've got something good to adhere to. Didn't use very much, just a little bit. And what we're going to use for the repair is this extreme heat JB weld. Comes in a little container. Just mix it up. We're going to spread it on the inside there to patch up that hole that we had in here and also in here, so this will give us many years to an old Traeger. So I used a really good heavy-duty coating of this. I think this is going to do a great job. You can see this other repair here also. I went definitely outside of where the hole was so I could get some good metal adherence on the outsides of that. I think this will turn out great and give it many years. This extreme heat is good for 1,000 degrees, and we are never going to get up that high. So I'm not worried about that, but I would use the high heat as opposed to just the standard JB weld. We're going to give this a full 24 hours to completely set up and harden. In both of those, you can see I also put in a new burn pot. Needed that. So we're looking forward to giving some new life to this grill. So this ended up being a pellet grill fix that wasn't too bad. I really am pleased with how this turned out. So we'll be able to use this for quite a while. I think that high temperature JB weld is a great solution. We made sure to clean up the metal and to treat it so that way the JB weld would adhere to it. I think we're going to end up with a long life on this. So if you found this valuable, hit that like, hit a subscribe, share it with a friend that might have a hole in their pellet grill, and you can be a hero and help them fix it up. I've got a ton of different recipes on my YouTube channel, so feel free to browse through those. I've also got many other videos on how to replace burn pots, how to replace controllers, how to paint these, and really do a full restoration on them. So please check out the rest of my YouTube channel. And after it's all fixed up, all you have to do is figure out what you're going to cook in it in your backyard this weekend. And for BBQ Plus, thanks for watching.